Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to find and replace one document in a MongoDB collection using a Python application. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my application. First I am going to create a Python virtual environment. Click View, Command Palette, click Python Create Environment, Virtual Environment, and I am going to use Python 3.12.1. The environment is getting created. The environment has been successfully created. Now we need to install PyMongo driver as well as the .env and the certify packages. Terminal, new terminal. First let's install them. Python pip install PyMongo. So we have successfully installed the DNS Python as well as the PyMongo packages. Now let us install the .env. We have successfully installed that as well. So now let's install the certify. Okay, we have successfully installed that as well. Now I'm going to create a .env file where I'm going to place my connection string. I'm going to use the environment variable MongoDB _URI. So here I'm going to put my connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. We are going to connect from our application. Click drivers. So Python driver is already selected and already we have installed the PyMongo driver. Now copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the changes. Now I'm going to create a new file. So this is for find and replace. So I'm going to call it as find and replace.py. First I'm going to import OS. Then I'm going to import certify. Then from PyMongo import Mongo client, then from .env import load env. Okay, first let's load the environment variables. Okay, then let's get the certificate path certify.var. Okay, now let's get the connection string. Let's start .env. We need to provide the environment variable name, which is MongoDB _URI. Okay, good. Now let's create the client, Mongo client. So we need to give the Mongo URI as well as the TLS CA file equal to CA. Okay, now we have created the client. So now we are going to find and replace one document in the students collection, which is part of the UnivDB. So let's do that. UnivDB equal to client dot university. Okay, then students collection equal to UnivDB dot students. Okay, so we are going to find one document and replace. So we need to pass two parameters. One is the query string, which is we are going to use to find a specific document, and then we are going to add the replace document. Okay, so student ID, maybe I'll give it as 115. Okay, so this is the query string, then the replace doc. Okay, so this is going to be a replacement doc, so we need to provide all the information. So ID, so I'm going to replace, so I will give the same student ID. Now I'm going to give a name. I'm going to give the name as money. Okay, so then we need to give the age. So age I'm going to give it as 19, and then we need to give the grade. So grade I'm going to give it as C, and then we need to give the marks, which is an array. So first I'm going to give ENG, so I'm going to give it as 55, and then I need to give the lang. Okay, so this I'm going to give as 60, and then I need to give the max mark, which I'm going to give it as 70. Okay, so all good. So we have created the query string as well as the replace doc. I'm going to use pretty print, so let me import that. Pretty print. Okay, first I'm going to print the original document. Okay, I'm going to use pretty print. Okay, so I'm going to call the students collection dot find one, and then I'm going to pass the query string. Okay, so now next I'm going to execute the find and replace one. So I'm going to call find one and replace. To this I'm going to pass the query string as well as the replace doc. Okay, now all good. Okay, now again I'm going to print the replacement doc. Okay, then I'm going to close the client connection. Okay, so I'm going to add one more print statement to indicate this is the replaced document. Okay, so it's all good. I'm going to save the changes. So now I'm going to run the program. Python and then replace. Okay, so it has printed the original document where the student name is Irene. Okay, so now it has been updated with the new document where the student name is Mani. Okay, in this demo we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster from a Python application and then find and replace one document in a collection. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.